Are you getting error code 0x80244022 on the Microsoft Store or Xbox app when trying to download, install, or update games and apps on PC? This error is usually related to Windows Update services, Microsoft Store cache issues, network/DNS problems, or corrupted update components. Here are the solutions for this error.